This is how you double your traffic without having to do any additional work. You're going to love using Opus Clip to repurpose your long form videos into short form, highly engaging, and potentially viral short form videos. Now, I just used Opus Clip to create 30 video shorts in under 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour, which means that now I have content for 30 days to post on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Pinterest video pins. Now, this is going to work best if you are a YouTube creator that gets on camera, or if you do product video reviews, or if you do any sort of interview style type of videos. If you are a vlogger or use a lot of stock footage in your videos, then this is not going to work as great, but I'm going to share with you how I got around that. In my case, I'm going to repurpose my YouTube videos. Now, it is recommended that your videos are 15 minutes or longer, but I found that it works even if your videos are shorter than that. The longer your video, the more short form content that Opus is going to be able to create for you. Go to opus.pro and sign up for a free account. You get to test out this awesome AI tool completely for free without having to input any credit card information or payment information. Now go to YouTube and copy and paste the link of one of your videos into Opus Clip. Now, alternatively, if you don't have a YouTube channel or if you don't have any other long form content posted on the web, then you can upload a file with the drag and drop feature. Now, here's the neat part. Opus is going to take your video and it's going to cut it up into 10 short form engaging pieces. It's going to add eye-popping captions over your video, as well as add emojis when necessary. Depending on the length of your video, it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes for you to get an email from Opus Clip saying that your videos are ready to view. If you uploaded the recommended 15-minute or longer video, then you're going to see 10 short form videos or more in your dashboard. Once you go and take a look at them, you're going to see a viral score in green. Right to the left of that is going to be a summary of why this short form video can potentially go viral on social media. You're also going to get click-worthy titles for each of your short form videos. Now, Opus is pretty good with creating these short form videos. You can actually post them as is, but you can also go inside of your dashboard and edit each video. Once inside, you can toggle the auto intro caption on or off. You can leave it on for the auto generated and quite good catchy headline title. You can also change it to a title you prefer, or you can simply leave it completely off. Now, I recommend you having some sort of title to show. These captions at the beginning of a video is what normally piques the interest of viewers, enough to get them to click through to your short form video. So far, I found that Opus will transcribe my videos to near perfection, which is really crazy. But if you do find that there is an error in the transcription, then you can easily go in and edit it to the correct caption. And since video captions can significantly increase your video views by a whopping 80%, this is a moneymaker feature that every content creator needs. By the way, if you only want to add transcriptions to your current video and have them look just as engaging as Opus Clip, then I've included a link to another insane AI tool that will help you do just that. Make sure to check underneath this video for that tool. There's so much you can do with Opus. You can change highlighted colors, add your logo and call to action to the video, change font, and tons of other fun stuff. Now, my videos didn't come out perfect since I rarely get on camera in my YouTube videos, and also because I use a lot of stock video footage, but I was able to significantly decrease the amount of time it takes to create short form videos by stitching multiple videos together and by doing small edits to them to create 1 month's worth of shorts. For this, I used Camtasia, but you can also use CapCut or whatever video editing tool you use to create video shorts 10 times faster with the help of Opus. I then posted these on YouTube Shorts, Pinterest videos, and on Facebook Reels. Now, if you are a content creator on social media, then you know just how valuable this tool can be so that you can show up every day without having to add any more time to your schedule. That means you get to spend more time with your friends and family and just expand your business by getting more traffic to your offers, or in my case, to my affiliate offers. This is also a very easy task that you can outsource to a VA, so you don't actually have to include your time in doing these shorts. You can have someone else do it for you. I'm going to leave you with a real example of a short form video that I created from one of my YouTube videos using Opus. Now, I posted this to multiple social media sites. It started to gain a lot of traffic on some of the platforms, and it started to also drive more eyeballs to my longer YouTube video, which is where I earn YouTube monetization money. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can become an Amazon product tester, how you can get paid to write Amazon reviews and record Amazon review videos, as well as where to get free and discounted products to test out and review for Amazon. And they don't even need to be positive reviews either. They can be negative ones as long as they're real reviews. Now, the more helpful and in-depth you write your reviews, the more likely the Amazon will select you as a Vine Voice member. So with the Amazon Vine program, you become an Amazon product tester and get free products. Now, let's just say you want to become an Amazon reviewer and get paid as a product tester. You can do this by becoming an Amazon influencer or an Amazon influencer affiliate. You can be both an Amazon affiliate and an Amazon influencer. Now, it is a bit harder to get into the influencer program, so I was accepted into the influencer program. That's where I had access now to create my own Amazon storefront, as well as create shoppable content and earn on-site commissions. Oh, hey guys, I wanted to get back on here real quick because I wanted to show you the actual video that is starting to get more traffic. As you can see here, there is a lot more external traffic coming to this video, and this is a video that I get paid creator income. So go ahead, create your short form videos from your longer form content, start driving more traffic to your offers and to your YouTube videos, just like me. I'll see you again. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.